macrame star from this kit that's available on our website. Of course, you don't need the kit to make this, it's got all the instructions in it, but I will go through with you the materials that you will need. In the kit you get your instructions, you also get plenty of 4mm macrame cord, and you also need a ring. This one isn't a huge one, you probably want one that's no more than about 4 centimeters in diameter. So in addition to everything that's in the kit, you will also need a pair of scissors and a tape measure. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut 15 lengths of 1 meter. So you need 15 1 meters. So I've measured out 15 lengths of 1 meter of our cord. Don't have to be perfect, just at least 1 meter. So there's our 15 lengths. Now what we're going to do, using our ring as the centre of our star, we're going to take all 15 of our lengths, we take one at a time. Fold it in half, so I'm putting the two ends together to find the halfway point. And then I'm going to create a lark's head knot with each length all the way around this ring. So to do the lark's head knot, we're going to just pop the loop through our ring and then scoop those ends through. It doesn't really matter which way around you do it, just make sure that you do the loop on the same side all the way round. So I'm just on my last cord here. It's a bit of a squeeze, but the idea is you don't really want any of this wooden ring showing through, so that you've just got all your cords around your ring. Pull them nice and tight. So when we start, this is the front, this is what a lark's head knot should look like, so it should have the little bump there, and then this is the back, so that's the reverse lark's head. So this is our front, and this will become the centre of our star. To begin working the star, you are going to take 6 ends. So I've just got these out the way and we're just working with these 6. I uploaded a video last week on how to do the square knot. I will pop a link for that now if you want more detail on how to do the square knot. But what we're going to do is we're going to use 4 filler cords, and then we've got 2 working cords. So we're going to do 3 full square knots around these filler cords. So that's 1 half. So that's 1 full square knot now. And I'm pulling quite tight, making sure that those knots are nice and tight and they're not going to slip out. Now we're going to repeat that all the way around. So taking the next 6, so 2, 4, 6, and I'm going to create 3 square knots on here, and so on all the way around this ring. So just on my last square knot now of this section. And now we need to kind of create this into a point here. So what we're going to do now is for each of these 5, we're going to split these in 2. So we're going to have 10 bunches in total. So that will be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, all the way around. And we're going to work along here. We're going to do 4 square knots. This time we're only going to have 1 filler cord and 2 working cords. Because one of these was our worker last time, this one is a lot shorter. That was our worker last time. I'm going to use this as the filler cord now, just so that it kind of doesn't waste too much of the ends. So taking this one as our filler, I'm going to lay that one out, and then with these 2 I'm working 4 square knots. There's our final square knot of that done. So you can see each one of these 5 has got 2 coming out of them. Now to create this into a star shape, what we're going to do is we need to connect these 2 together and then those 2 together all the way around like that. So bringing 3 from this side and 3 from this side, make sure that you're not doing these 2, you're doing opposites. I'm going to pop those 4 as the filler cords and then use these 2 as the working cords. Now we're just going to make 1 square knot over these 4 fillers. So half a square knot, and then the other half, just to bring that together, and then repeat that all the way around again. So taking the 4 fillers and using these 2 as your working cords. Now we have our basic star shape. To make this into a hanger now, all I'm going to do is select one of the ends that's got longer ends, and I'll take those 2, and I'll just do a little knot at the ends of those. Just to make a little loop for hanging the star up, and then just trim, grab my tape measure, just trim all of these ends to about, I like to go about 1 inch maybe from the end of this square knot. So just find the end of this square knot, pop your tape measure on, and cut through them. Repeat that all the way around. Just make sure that on your little hanging one you don't cut the loops that you'll be hanging up with. Now onto the one with the hanger. I'm just going to trim those ends off. fold the hanger bit down, inch from there, it's about there. And now you have a macrame star. Using just square knots, we have created a lovely star shape, and this could be hung on a tree. You could do it in more like a double knit yarn and make really tiny ones. But I hope you have found this video helpful and informative, and if you have created one of these, I'd love to see it in Instagram. If you just tag The Prolific Crafter on Instagram and share your makes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Happy crafting! Bye!